Hello friends, I make this cute tiny sketchbook and I was thinking to paint in it, but I make it from scrap paper, so we will use my old watercolor I mix here, and on this pages we can use gouache, and I have some gouache here. This little sketchbook have 14 pages and 28 places where we can paint. So on the white ones we will paint with watercolors, on this old ones from scrapping paper we will paint with gouache. So we don't have too much of this scrap paper, so it will be very interesting how it will look with this underpainting. One booktuber have something like I read every 1 second for every subscriber I have, so I was thinking I will paint 1 second for every subscriber I have, and in this tiny sketchbook, and it will be 13 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's start. This is the brushes I will use today. What should we paint? A little tiny landscape on the first page, maybe here. First I want to use this blue, and we will start. Is this first page? Yes, it is. So how we will do it? Maybe somehow like this. So first the sky will be dark, and then here also we will put few dark lines. Orange will be here. So the sky is bluish and orange, and the water also a little bit of orange in the water. Like this. So again I want to dry it. I think it's like this, and then I want to dark black here, like this horizon line, and here it will be some bushes like this. And then I want to also add this dark, not with this big brush, but with this tiny one, because I want to add like some waves on this water. It will give us some depth. And also I need grass, some grass here on the shore, and here is this shoreline. And I think our first painting is over, so not too much, because you don't want to overdo it, but enough to show that this is the sky and the water and the shoreline and everything. We do it, so that is that. Then I was thinking on this side I can make some lavender or something, so I will add first green, like some bouquet of lavender, so something like this, and here, like this, diluted purple with much water. So here. So we make one tiny bouquet with this, and I don't know, should we add some ribbon here maybe, like this. Now I want to one landscape again, and because this is like this, we can do it with gouache. And first I want to add the white for the sky all around here. And if you want to learn, I will show you how to paint with this tiny, how to make these tiny sketchbooks. So that is that. Then I want to add a little bit of yellow here for the sky. This can be some misty morning or something like that. Then I want pink, so this pink will be here and there on the sky. Hills to be here. And I will add a bit of darker blue. This is our hills. And then the bushes with dark green, so a line of bushes here, and then a lighter green field maybe here. Like this, dark green for the bushes on the front, and this will be like here, like this, some white with this tiny little brush. So we will add, for example, I don't know, white roses or something here in the front. I will probably need to zoom in for these tiny paintings because it is so much invisible. And then around maybe yellow, and then pink. Pink is somewhere here. And then I was thinking on light blue here, and also here. Now I need dark brown, like to show the branch here. Then I need super tiny brush, and then I need white and pink here. Tiny petals and buds. So now we need to wait this to be dry because it is too much layers. This was drying so long, so because it's too many layers. Now fifth light blue like sky, but just here and there this light blue, and then the sea should be here. So this is the sea, and I want to add darker line here on horizon. Like this, and some waves just to show. This is the waves and this is the sea. One little boat here, super far away, and some here and some birds. So super tiny birds here and here. I even think this is enough, and I also want to add a little bit of white to show this sea foam on the waves. From here maybe, and here, and here. And that is that. Now I want something like again blue sky here. A little bit darker. Also the water here like this. And then this shoreline maybe here. Like this. I want to add a darker, like mountains in the distance. Here and here. Maybe like the sun here, island or something here, some stones here. Then I need super tiny brush to show this, like some shadow here from in the water. I want one tree on this little island, and this will be here, like a bonsai tree. And then here on this side somebody is sitting and like meditating, some person. I'm not really happy with this one, but okay, it can be everything perfect.
Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye.